Today we are going to see the next parameters is ABCD parameters or transmission parameters or capital T parameters. Actually, in your portion, we don't have any one more parameter we have. Actually, we are having only 4 parameters. Actually, we have 6 parameters. The parameter which is related to this parameter is inverse transmission parameter. Inverse transmission parameter, or it is also called as small t parameter. Small t parameter and small ABCD parameter. So this is a transmission parameters are nothing but your capital ABCD parameter. Inverse transmission parameter is nothing but your small ABCD parameter or small t parameter. Actually, we don't have this in our portion. We have only transmission parameter. So this is actually we have seen this one as a standard notation for your two-port network with the 4 variables V1, I1, V2 and I2. Here you have to consider some difference as compared to your previous discussions. Here we have to consider 4 more variables like input as a source voltage Vs, input as a source voltage Vs and input current as a IS. Input current as a IS. Input current as a IS. And output voltage as a VR and output current as a IR. Output current as a IR. So this is your I1, this is your I2 and this is your IS and this is your IR. So this is a small change you need to consider for ABCD parameter. So if you have observed here, Vs is exactly equal to V1. So here we can write out of 4 variables, Vs is equal to V1 and I1 IS. IS is in the same direction of I1, so IS is equal to I1. This is for input section. Let us see for output section. How? If you observe here, VR is equal to Vs, V2, VR is equal to V2, but IR is in opposite direction of your I2. So IR is minus I2. So this is the change you need to remember. In all 4 variables, 3 variables are exactly equal to other variables or previous variables. But here IR is opposite to your I2, that is your standard current, that is I2. So out of 4 variables, let us have a general discussion. So among 4 variables, that is V1, I1 and V2, I2. Here we have to consider for ABCD parameters V2, that is output is independent, input is dependent. V2 and I2 are independent, and V1, I1 are dependent. So that is a point for your ABCD parameter. So by considering this one, here we are going to write. So it means that from this we can write V2 and I2 are independent is nothing but, can I write VR, comma IR are independent and Vs, comma IS are dependent. So by considering these statements, we can write Vs is equal to the function of Vr comma IR, and Is is a function of Vr comma IR. So the equations will be, so from this we can write the equation is equal to Vs is equal to A into Vr plus B into IR, and Is is equal to C into Vr plus D into IR. So this is your, so if I substitute in terms of, if I write in terms of V1 and V2, Vs is nothing but V1. So V1 is equal to A into V2 plus B into I2 is nothing but, IR is nothing but minus I2. So minus I2, and I1 is equal to C V2 plus D into minus I2. So this is your equation number 1, and this is your equation number 2. That is V1 is equal to AV2 plus B into minus I2, and I1 is equal to C into V2 plus D into minus I2. So from this we can write in terms of matrix form. The matrix will be V1 I1 is equal to A, B, C, D with V2 minus I2. So this is your ABCD matrix. This is your ABCD matrix. Now let us find the values of your ABCD. That is your equation for your ABCD. How to find? Step 1. So before step 1, let us write the equations. What is the equation here? Dependent on your inputs. So V1 is equal to A into V2 plus B into minus I2, and I1 is equal to C into V2 plus D into minus I2. So step 1 is, let us consider I2 as 0. I2 as 0, that is output open. Output is open. So from this, so this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2. So from 1, V1 is equal to, V1 is equal to A into V2 plus 0. From 2, I1 is equal to C into V2 plus 0. So from this we can write A is equal to V1 by V2 with I2 equal to 0, C equal to I1 by V2 with I2 equal to 0. So what is A? A is nothing but it is a ratio of two voltages. So A is a open circuit. A is a open circuit, reverse open circuit, reverse transfer voltage gain. Open circuit, reverse transfer voltage gain,
And what about your C? C is a current by voltage. C is a current by voltage, so it is a admittance. So C is equal to open circuit reverse transfer admittance. Open circuit reverse transfer admittance. Open circuit reverse transfer admittance. So here we got A and C. Now let us go with the step 2. Step 2 is output short circuited. Let us consider V2 is equal to 0. That is output short circuited. Output short circuited. So what is the equation of V1 is equal to A V2 plus B into minus I2. I1 is equal to CB2 plus D into minus I2. So by substituting from, so this is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. From equation number 1, if I substitute V2 equal to 0, here we are going to get V1 is equal to some 0 plus B into minus I2, and from equation 2, I1 is equal to V2 is 0, 0 plus B into minus I2. So from this we can write B is equal to V1 by minus I2 and D equal to I1 by minus I2. So what is this B? B is a voltage by current. So here we got this one with the open short circuited. So we can consider it as a short circuit output to the input. So short circuit reverse transfer reverse transfer impedance. And D is equal to short circuit I1 by I2. This is also reverse. So short circuit reverse transfer current gain. Reverse transfer current gain. So this is your current gain, that is your voltage gain. Let us write, let us conclude it. Let us conclude. What is A? A is equal to V1 by V2 with I2 equal to 0, and C is equal to I1 by V2 with I2 equal to 0. I1 by V2 with I2 equal to 0. Okay. Next, B is equal to ABCD. V1 by minus I2 with V2 equal to 0, and D is equal to that you will get here the V1 by I2, V1 I1 by minus I2 with V2 equal to 0. So is it possible to draw the equivalent circuit? No. For ABCD parameters, it is not possible to draw equivalent circuit. Why? Because here we got the equations are V1 is equal to A into V2 plus B into minus I2, and I1 is equal to C into V2 plus D into minus I2. This is the equation. If you observe here, for impedance parameter, for admittance parameter, for H parameter, one equation is related to, on LHS part you are having input variable, and the second is your output variable. It may be a current or voltage. Like your for impedance parameters, what is the equation? For impedance parameters, V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V1 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. If you observe here, the equation 1, in the equation 1, so this variable is related to input and this variable is output. So by using this variable, we can draw a circuit which is related to input section. By using this second equation, which enables us to draw the output equivalent circuit, because it is related to V1, that is the input variable, this is the output variable. But if you observe here for ABCD parameter, this is a input variable and this is also a input variable. It means that the input variable, the first equation represents your input variable. The second equation also represents your input variable. So there is no any point for your output variable equation. So if there is no any equation which represents your output variable, so it is not possible to draw a equivalent circuit for your ABCD parameter. Thank you.